I thought I'd be cooking every day when I lived in my van, but in reality, I just can't be bothered. Afternoon, everybody. Hope you're all well. So, I just want to touch on cooking a little bit. Something which I really thought when I moved into this van I would do all the time. I would eat healthy, I wouldn't get takeaways or nothing like that. But it's quite the opposite, really. Like I said just before, once I finish work and everything like that, and I just can't be bothered. You know, like you've been at work all day, and I haven't got much room in here. I've got a cooker and everything like that. I just haven't got much room in here, but honestly, I just can't be bothered once I've been to work and everything like that, cooking in a van. And like you can see, I've got the cooker and everything. I haven't got much worktop space apart from this tabletop here. But I mean, washing up as well. Washing up, I normally do outside in a bowl or something like that. But I mean, I could do it in here, but I don't want to get water anywhere. But like, I haven't got a sink. I haven't got running water. And then when I'm doing washing up, it's outside. So like, if it's raining, it just feels like a big effort. Honestly, it just feels like a big effort to start cooking, washing everything up out like in the van. It's nothing like being in a house where it's easy. You got the sink, you've got your area, you got the sink, wash your pots and put them in the basin, like the basin thing next to you. But like here, I haven't got much space at all. Like, it just drives me wild. Like, I just, honestly, I can't be bothered to cooking nowadays. Like, I've sort of upset myself a little bit because I really thought that I would like cook all the time, but it's just not happening. Who else like has intentions of cooking like and eating healthy and everything like that and saving money in the van, but really in hindsight you go get takeaways most of the time and stuff like that? It's a lot easier, isn't it? You can just get in, get a takeaway, eat it in here, put the rubbish in the bin, end of, isn't it? So who else feels like that? Who else feels that, like, drop me a message. How many people actually cook in the van all the time rather than get takeaways? I mean, there will be some people will be dedicated, like, won't they? But like, I just can't do it. Like, it's getting beyond a bit of a joke, like. But the amount of takeaways I have to get all the time. But or like, I do cook a little bit, pot noodles or soup noodles and stuff like that. I have. But like, they're just easy and simple. You just boil the kettle and put a bit of water in and done you, so that's not too bad. But like proper meals and stuff, like getting all your goodness and everything out of meals, that's honestly, I can't be bothered. So someone said try HelloFresh. So HelloFresh is good, but I think it would just end up going to waste all the time, because like, you get the meal provided, don't you, and all the ingredients. They're meant to be nice meals and everything, don't get me wrong, but to me, I think they'll just go to waste for me, because like, again, like I said, that if I can't be bothered to cook, it will just get wasted. So, and then I'd probably end up getting a takeaway, so I'd be spending both. But I think it just end up being costly for me, and wastage as well. Like, so I know one of the lads I know, he says, oh yeah, I cook all the time in my van, but he's got like a day van, and when he goes away, like, he only goes away overnight and stuff like that in his, and yeah, he cooks overnight, and but if you're living in a van full time like me, you get sick of cooking, you get sick of the little bit of room. So I suppose with van life, you got to take like, what's the word, the rough with the smooth, like I've said before. Like, that's one of the bad things of van life for me. Maybe if I had a bigger van and a sink and all that, where I could stand up and all that, maybe that I would start cooking all the time, maybe. But like in this van, don't get me wrong, I'm happy in this van. It's brilliant, I love it. But cooking wise, that's one of the negative points for me. It's just I just end up getting takeaways, or not eating, or just eating pot noodles, like I said to you before. But maybe in the future, if I get a bigger van and all that, I might start cooking. But for now, it is what it is, isn't it? You've got to just roll with it, don't you, really? So to me, that's probably a bad point of van life, and for me, yeah. So nightmare. another thing is that like a confined space in these little, well, medium van I'd say, is the smell. The smell lingers if you're cooking food and all that. I don't know, like curries or out like that, or even chips or whatever, even in the air fryer. The smell of the food lingers in your van, and like you can't really get away with it unless you're opening the door. I mean, it's alright in the summer when you can open the door, but when it's a bit colder, you've got to keep your door shut. You can open your vent and stuff, but like you say, the food smell lingers as well. So that's another bad point of van life and full-time cooking. Anyway guys, I'm going to leave this one here, but yeah, like I said, let me know in the comments what you think. But yeah, I'm going to enjoy this lovely delicious pizza takeaway, and yeah, no washing up, eat the pizza and put it in the bin. End of. Brilliant. But yeah, like I say, I'm going to end this one here. So I'd like to thank you all for watching, subscribe, liking and commenting. So I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, take care.